Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to add multiple videos on TikTok. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok app, make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Tap on this plus icon to choose the video. After you open up your camera, over here you're gonna see this option of upload. Tap on it. Now your gallery will open up. From here you can choose as many as videos you want, but make sure you have enabled this option for select multiple. Here I'm going to choose 2 of these videos. After you choose the videos, you can tap on next. Now you can tap on this drop down. Here you will get different options. Tap on this option of edit. Now you can easily edit your clip. You can split the video or you can increase or decrease the speed. Likewise, you can add some voice effect. You can increase or decrease the volume of this video clip. You can rotate it. Here you're gonna get different options. And after you do that, you can tap on the option of save. You can tap on next. And now your video is ready to upload. If you want to upload it, you can tap on the option of post. So this is how you can easily add multiple videos on your TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.